When you open AutoCAD 2027 for the very first time, this is the screen you're going to see. And I'll be honest with you, if you're completely new to AutoCAD, this screen can feel a little overwhelming at first. You will see buttons on the left, recent files in the middle, announcement on the right, tools at the top, and a lot of icons everywhere. But don't worry, before we start drawing lines, walls, rooms, floor plan, or anything else, I want you to feel comfortable with the screen first, because this is where every AutoCAD project begins. So in this video, I'm going to explain the AutoCAD 2027 welcome screen in very simple way, step by step, so you know exactly what you are looking at and what you need to click. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx, AutoCAD 2027 made simple. In this course, I'm not going to assume that you'd already know AutoCAD. We are going to start from absolute beginning, slowly and clearly. So let's begin with the first thing you see when you open AutoCAD, the welcome screen. Think of this screen like an entrance of the AutoCAD. Before you enter the actual drawing area, AutoCAD gives you this starting page. From here, you can start a new drawing, open an existing drawing, continue working on recent files, search for old projects, and also see learning or update information from Autodesk. Now let's break it down slowly. At the very top, you can see AutoCAD title bar. This area shows which version of AutoCAD you are currently using. In this case, we are using AutoCAD 2027. You may also see something like education or non-commercial use if you are using a student version, and that is completely fine. It simply means that the version is being used for learning or educational purposes. For this course, that is more than enough because the tools and workflows are almost same for learning AutoCAD properly. Now, just below the title bar, you can see all of these tabs at the top. You will see tabs like Home, Insert, Unnoted, Parametric, View, Manage, and many more. This top area is called Ribbon. The ribbon is where most of the AutoCAD tools are located. Later in this course, we'll use tools like Line, Circle, Rectangle, Move, Copy, and many more. But right now, you may notice that many tools look gray or inactive. That is normal. Nothing is wrong with your AutoCAD. The reason these tools are inactive is because we haven't opened drawing yet. Once we create a new drawing or open an existing file, these tools will become active. So don't worry about all of these icons right now. We'll learn them one by one. Now let's come to the left side of the screen. This is the area beginners should focus on the first. Here, you can see two important buttons, Open and New. The Open button is used when you already have an AutoCAD file saved on your computer and you want to open it again. AutoCAD files are usually saved as DWG file. So, for example, if someone gives you a floor plan or mechanical drawing or any AutoCAD project file, you can click Open and select the file from your computer. Now below that, you have a New button. This is the button we use when we want to start fresh drawing from zero. So if you want to create a new room plan, a house layout, a machine part, a furniture design, or any new project, you will start with New. The easiest way to remember this is Open means you already have a file. New means you started from beginning, and that's it. Now, below these buttons, you can see different sections like Recent, Autodesk projects, and Learning and Insights. Right now, we are on the Recent section. Recent means AutoCAD is showing the files that we are opened recently. This is useful because you don't have to search through your computer every time. For example, if you worked on a floor plan yesterday, you can come back today and simply click on the file from here. In the middle of the screen, you can see small preview cards of the recent drawings. Each card usually shows a small images of the drawing, the file name, and the date when it was last opened. This makes it much easier to recognize your file quickly. You may also notice a small pin icon on these recent files. This pin is useful when you have an important drawing that you use again and again. When you open a pin file, AutoCAD keeps it easy to find at the recent section. It is just like pinning an important chat or a message on your phone. Now, above the recent files, you can see the sorting section. Here it says sort by last open. That means AutoCAD is showing your files based on which one you opened most recently. You can also use the search bar beside it to search for the recent file. This becomes very helpful when you have many drawings and you don't remember the exact where the file is saved. You can type the part of the file name and AutoCAD will help you to find it. Now let's look at the right side. Here you can see the announcement section. This area usually shows update from Autodesk, new feature, learning suggestions, or product information. As a beginner, you don't need to worry about too much for this area now. It is useful, but it is not the main thing you need for drawing. Below that, you can see Connect section. This shows your Autodesk account information. The Connect section is mainly related to your Autodesk account, online services, feedback, and crowd related features. Again, it is good to know, but it is not something we need to focus on at the beginning. Now, at the top right side, you can see a search box that says type a keyword or a phrase. This is AutoCAD's search bar or help area. For example, if you are looking for a command or a tool, you can type the name here and AutoCAD may help you to find it. But in this course, you don't need to depend on the random search. I'll show you everything in the proper order, step by step. So to keep it simple, this welcome screen is basically your starting point. When you want to start something new, click new. When you want to continue old drawing, click on open or choose the file from the recent. And once we enter the drawing space, then we'll start using the real AutoCAD tools. So don't let this screen scare you. You don't need to understand every single button today. Just understand the basic purpose of the screen. It helps you to start new drawing, open an old drawing, and access your recent work quickly. In the next session, we are going to click on new and enter the actual AutoCAD drawing works. That is where you'll see the drawing area, command line, cursor, ribbon tools, navigation tools, and everything we need to start create a real drawing. So this was the AutoCAD welcome screen explained in a simplest way possible. Remember, new is for starting fresh drawing, open is for opening existing drawing, recent is for continue the previous work. In the next video, we'll start a new drawing and understand the AutoCAD workspace from zero. The next video is gonna be on the interface of the AutoCAD. See you in the next video.